Ivan Dmitrievich Papanin was a Soviet polar explorer, scientist, counter-admiral, and twice Hero of the Soviet Union, who was awarded 9 Orders of Lenin. Life and career. Ivan was born in Sevastopol into the family of a sailor. In 1914 he was conscripted into the Imperial Russian Navy. He took part in the Russian Civil War on the Bolshevik side, fighting in Ukraine. In 1920 he was sent to the Crimea to organize a guerrilla movement against the forces of the White Movement leader General Baron Pyotr Wrangel. In 1923 to 1932 he worked for Narkomotiv Communications. In 1931 he took part in the expedition of the icebreaker Maligan to Franz Joseph Land. In 1932–1933 he was the head of a polar expedition on Tigre Bay on Franz Joseph Land. In 1934–1935 he was in command of a polar station on Cape Chelyuskin. In 1937–1938 he was in charge of the famous expedition North Pole 1. 4 researchers, Ivan Papanin, Ernst Krenkel, Yevgeny Fyodorov and Petr Shirshov, landed on the drifting ice floes in an airplane flown by Mikhail Vodopyanov. For 234 days, Papanin's team carried out a wide range of scientific observations in the near-polar zone, until taken back by the 2 icebreakers Murman and Timir. It was the first expedition of its kind in the world. All members of the expedition received the title of Hero of the Soviet Union, which was extremely rare before World War II. In 1939–1946 Papanin was the successor to Otto Schmidt as head of the Glazevmorput, an establishment that oversaw all commercial operations on the Northern Sea route. In 1940 he received a second Hero of the Soviet Union title for organizing the expedition that saved the icebreaker Sedov. During World War II he was the representative of the State Defense Committee responsible for all transportation by the Northern Sea route. In 1941–1952 he was a member of the Central Revision Commission of the Communist Party. In 1948–1951 he was the Deputy Director of Institute for Oceanology of the USSR Academy of Sciences, and from 1951 until his death in 1986 he was the head of the Academy's Department of Maritime Expeditions. In 1956–1972 he was also the director of the Institute for the Biology of Inland Waters. Papanin's name has been given to a cape on the Timir Peninsula, a mountain in Antarctica, and an underwater mountain in the Pacific Ocean. Ivan Papanin's name was also given to an ice-class cargo and research ship built in 1990 that operates in both Arctic seas and the Antarctic. Honors and awards. Hero of the Soviet Union. 9 Orders of Lenin. Order of the October Revolution. Order of the Red Banner twice. Order of Nakhimov First Class. Order of the Patriotic War First Class. Order of the Red Banner of Labor twice. Order of Friendship of Peoples. Order of the Red Star. Medal for Combat Service. Jubilee Medal in commemoration of the 100th anniversary since the birth of Vladimir Ilyich Lenin. Jubilee Medal XX Years of the Workers' and Peasants' Red Army. Other medals and foreign decorations. Doctor of Geography. Rear Admiral. Honorary Citizen of the Hero City of Murmansk, Arkhangelsk, Hero City of Sevastopol, Lipetsk and the Yaroslavl region.